Politics, its concept, aims and goals. Politics is an integral part of the life of organized communities such as human society. This concept describes the relationships between community members that lead to consolidated decision-making and resource distribution. The main aim of politics is the adoption of collective action to address a particular problem or achieve a set goal. The basis of political power is the unequal distribution of resources, which allows part of the community to influence its members. One of the primary goals of politics is to consolidate efforts for decision-making and solutions implementation. In particular, political power takes the most important steps to distribute resources and coordinate efforts to address local or global problems. In general, the concept of politics can be considered as a set of all joint activities of an organized human society. The main tasks of politics and power include making decisions about what actions the group needs to take and overcoming differences in the views of group members. Thus, politics describes how the limited and valued resources of a community are allocated and who makes those decisions. The distribution of resources is held by an authoritative governmental institution, which is the link between all members of the community. The decisions and activities of the government may not always reflect the interests of the political community but may persuade its members. This aspect emphasizes that political power is in the hands of an authoritative group or institution. Political activity consists of the process of influencing the adoption of collective decisions, as well as the transformation of political views, opinions, and attitudes of society. It is also crucial that politics is aimed at taking collective action that affects the entire political community. Another important function of politics in society is the interaction of government institutions for the implementation of public policies. In general, politics is used to mobilize people and resources towards a goal that can be seen as the public interest. The concept of power is paramount when considering the essence of politics and making communal decisions. In particular, power is defined as the ability to influence the opinions and actions of other people to achieve certain goals. Political force can be used in several ways, including coercion, persuasion, induction, or leadership. Each of the types of power involves different tools for making individuals or groups perform actions to achieve the goal. The distribution of political power depends on the availability of resources to certain groups that allow one of the types of power to be exploited. Politics underlies the functioning of organized communities and allows its members to consolidate efforts to achieve goals. Political power describes what instruments of influence government institutions can use to achieve communal goals. Decision-making and the formation of political views, opinions, and attitudes occur through authority execution. Thus, politics is referred to as the process of making communal decisions, which are carried out by a powerful group and reflect the interests of all members of the community to achieve a certain goal.